She's a powerhouse, that one. Well, I have another very good friend of mine, an absolute true legend. I don't even need the phone to introduce this legend. He is unbelievable up and down the country, our own Fergus Power.
Hey lads, I just want to speak today about this little girl I was born. Her name is Ava O'Brien. Some of you might know her name already. I've been campaigning for her for the last 2 years to try and get justice for her. She was 13, totally fit and healthy, not a bother on her, a brilliant Irish dancer, a phenomenal artist and an gorgeous child. And in her own father's words, she was murdered by Pfizer and it was sanctioned by the Irish state. She was up. We're doing you. She got coerced. Yeah, say it. Justice for Ava. Justice for all. Justice for Ava. Justice for all. But just any mother, father, grandmother or father out there, just think about it. When you bring a child into the world, all the worry, all the time you spend looking after them, the nights you stay up making sure they're all right, nursing through sickness and health. And then one day if somebody... Sorry. Right, so this girl was coerced. She was the last person in our class to take that job, that fucking poison, excuse me for cursing, but I'm worried about it. Right, 23,000 excess mortality in this country, lads, since they rolled out of that job. And they're all responsible for it. I know you want to see every one of them involved in it, from top to bottom, including them fucking scumbags and that doll getting taken down for it. The only thing that's got to sort this, lads, for me, is no one going 2.0, nothing else to do, okay? I want to see everyone involved in this from top to bottom swinging. I want to see them swinging. I don't care who bleeding thinks what, alright? If you don't sort this out, they're going to do it again. And do it again, alright? Lads, some of us have been on the road for the last few years and now that we've taken an awful lot of hits off this government. And we paved the way and made it easier for other people to come after us, right? I take that and off these every day of the week. Everything I do is for my family and for my children and for their children, alright? And for their God-given birthright, okay? Say one more thing, and always remember it, there's not a guard, there's not a judge, there's not a politician above you in this world. The only one above you in this world is God, alright? I'm going to leave you on this, lads, right? That absolute scumbag traitor. You must be embarrassed for yourselves that he's from Cork, that Micheál Martin, right? I'm going to say one thing to you, Micheál, right? You call us mongrels. We haven't even started our fucking teach yet. We don't expose you. Just one more thing, lads, before I go. My mother-in-law's down there, Teresa. She's one of my best supports. She's absolutely loyal, right? This whole movement is based on love, right? It's based on love of country, God, family, our children, and their futures. That's it, alright? There's no hate here, okay? And one more thing, it's my wife's birthday tomorrow. Would you do us a favour? She's gonna kill me when I go home, right? My beautiful wife's name's Roddy. I would not be anywhere in my life any further. I absolutely adore her, but I'm supposed to. Do us a favour, sing a happy birthday for tomorrow, will you? Alright?